Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain an important data structure called a hash map. Essentially what it is it's a structure for mapping a key to a corresponding value. You can kind of think of it like a dictionary, where the key is a word and the definition is a value. It's a similar concept. The benefit of this structure is that retrieval takes constant time. This is an example of its initialization and some common methods for the map structure. Here is a common problem. We're given a string and we want to return the character that occurs most within this string. Let's do it using a map. We're going to start with the first letter in the string, which is an H. It's not in our map, so we're going to map H to the value 1, indicating that there's one H in the string. We'll move on to E and do the same thing and map it to the value 1, and we'll do the same with L. Now, the next time around we see that there's another L. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the value mapped to L with 2, because there's 2 L's so far in the string. Then we'll go to O and we'll map it to 1. I'm just going to ignore the empty space character for now, and now we'll do the same for W. W is mapped to 1. And now we see that there's another character that already exists in our map, an O. So we're going to take the value at O and replace it with 2. We'll go to R, we'll map it to 1, and now we're back to another character within our string, so we'll change the value of L to 3. Finally, we'll take D. We notice that it's not in our map, so we'll also map it to 1. To find the solution to this question, we just have to iterate through the keys in the map, see what their corresponding values are, and return the one with the highest value. In this case it's 3 and it corresponds to L. Let's get into the code. We'll start by initializing a hash map of character to integer called countsMap, which will hold all of our character counts. Then we'll loop through the string and we'll put each character into the map with its corresponding count. We'll do that using this method called getOrDefault, which will return the value mapped to C or 0, and we'll add 1 to it. Then we'll initialize 2 variables, max count and answer. We'll loop through the keys and we'll check if the value at key is greater than max count, and if so, we'll update max count and answer. Then we'll return it. Thank you for watching. Come back for more next time.